Hey everybody, Average Picker here. Yeah, I've just been really lazy on the videos lately. It's not because I haven't really been picking. I've been kind of picking. I just haven't had a lot to say, I guess. So, this guy came into the restore. Let's see if we can't get an out-of-the-box pick on it. Let's see. Get into the blister pack here. This is a police security Protect lock. They're giving us some top of the line. Was that like number 8 protection or something, or 9 or 10? Yeah, let's see what we can do here. Pretty beefy little lock looking on the outside. Keys back there. Let's see if we get by without those. No idea about this lock. Let's see, what is the official number here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's an 8-level security lock. It's quite late at night. I'm quite tired. That's the other thing. I've just been coming home from work. Just pretty dead tired. And spending a lot of it just sitting in front of the television. No. Oh. I feel like I picked 3 pins on that. Let's take a look at that key. Well, there's our key. I do feel like I only clicked off 3 pins on it. Yeah, there we go. We are open. I guess we could dismantle it. I don't know if I really feel like it because I've got a long day tomorrow. Yeah. Let's see how this does. I really was hoping to get to bed before 3 a.m. There you go. Let's get the camera tilted down here. Oh, that's a... Yeah, so it's just one of these little guys. I didn't think there was going to be anything more in it. You know, I actually have some more of theirs. Picked up these, buy them too. And yeah, God, this thing, it's like just some kind of stamped metal. And weirdly, these were a little bit tougher of a pick than this one was. But mostly I think it's just a happy accident for them. It's tensioning these is really weird. They're not made very well. And that makes the tensioning a little off. Not sure how to explain it. It's not smooth. And so you've just got to find the sweet spot in it because of that. It's not a tolerance thing. It's just, hastily assembled thing. One of these actually has a half okay key cut. I've got a few of them. You know what? I just don't feel like gutting it, guys. We'll just make this a short video. I really want to go to sleep. But Yeah, there we go. That's the let's see, the Protect Police Security Lock. What's it say down here? It says it's resistant to cutting. Resistance to something else. Oh, just prying it open. You see, we got a little pry bar, just prying it open. So yeah, I guess they don't say it's pick resistant. I guess they just say you can't pry it open, and you can't cut it with bolt cutters. Well, put a blister pack around your items to protect them. Maybe, get a blister pack machine instead of one of these. That'd be a little bit of a cost upgrade, though, wouldn't it? Oh, blister pack machine. That'd be hilarious, though, to see like a fence or a gate or something blister packed shut. On that note, you all have a good one.